Alex from Tailor Cosplay here. As some of you might know, my next costume for this coming cosplay season is going to be Rapunzel from Tangled. And we are lucky enough to have our friends at Shannon Fabrics let us pick some amazing satin to make this costume. And I wanted to share this unboxing with you. Okay, this is my first unboxing video, so bear with me a little bit here. We're gonna try not to cut the fabric inside of it. Okay, let's see if that did the trick. Yep, and it did. Okay, so I'm very excited to look at all of this. There we go. So we have 3 bolts of fabric in here. We have this dark purple satin. More to unbox in here. Okay. Okay, so now we can start looking at the fabric for real. So the first color we have is this dark purple kind of eggplant colored colored satin right here. And this is going to be used, I think, for the skirt. And it's really interesting because if you look at Rapunzel in Tangled, her skirt is actually kind of a different color than the bodice. So it's 2 different pieces. So we spent a long time trying to decide if we should do 2 different colors, which 2 different colors should we do? Are they more pink toned? Are they more purple toned? So that's kind of an interesting decision here. So next color we have is pink, more pinky purple. And this is for the bodice. Oh, this is for the bodice? Yeah, okay, awesome, Mary Beth. Yeah, so this is for the bodice, which again, as we talked about, is a different color. And then is this also, are we also gonna use this for the sleeves?
Nope, the other 2.
The other 2, oh, there's actually 4 in here. Okay, awesome. Yeah, so this is for the bodice. And also, so if you remember her dress from the movie, there's like embroidery on it and all kinds of like little patterns on it. We're actually going to machine embroider that onto this fabric. So be watching for those videos in the future because we're going to have some how-to videos on how to do that. Okay, let's look at the next 2. Okay, the next 2 we have are a white and a pink here. So these I think we're going to use them for her little puff sleeves. And if you know in the movie, her little puff sleeves are striped there. So we're actually going to create that. Instead of just getting a striped fabric, we're going to create them by physically cutting and sewing together these fabrics to make a striped fabric. And we're also using the white for the underskirt, so we can have, you know, appropriate underpinnings for Rapunzel's outfit. So if you're as excited to see these fabrics in action as I am, this costume is going to be debuting in June at Cosplay America. So definitely follow for that. But in the meantime, we're going to have a lot more videos and blog posts about the creation of this costume, and especially be looking out for the wig because that's going to be insane. So thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much to our friends at Shannon Fabrics for sponsoring this costume. So if you are interested in this, please like and subscribe this video, and also go follow us on Tailor Cosplay on Instagram. Thank you so much. See you soon.